Welcome to the practice assessment instructions. I'm going to make this very short and I'm going to film it so that I don't have to explain it 5 times. And I think it'll be easier if you get lost, you can always rewatch this video. Okay, so this is the practice assessment. First thing you want to do is file, make a copy. Okay, when you file, make a copy, make sure to erase copy of, put your first, last name, and period. Click OK. Okay, and then what you're going to do first is you're going to, I'll give you the link to this page. It is called MSES 2635 Practice Assessment. There'll be a hand-in button here. This is the student, this is the teacher copy. You'll have the student view where it says hand in, and make sure to attach the document that you made a copy of. Okay, that way I don't have to chase you down if you don't submit it at the end of class. Remember, it's a live document, so I can see what you're doing 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes, 90 minutes into class on the document, okay? Back to the document here. This document, the table of contents, is really going to help you, I think. Don't be discouraged that there's 13 pages. Note that there's only, in the first question, there's 2 questions, 2 short models that you have to do. You'll do them all in a Google form, and I'll show you how to do that. These are Google drawings that you're editing. Notice that I put the performance expectation at the top for each of the 2 standards that you're being assessed. A scoring rubric, you strongly recommend you view the scoring rubric after you do each, and even before you even start the assessment. You can read it to find out what a meeting looks like. Okay, and then this performance expectation, there are 3 graphs. Notice they're not bold because all you have to do is view them to help you answer question 3 and 4. Scoring rubric, and then if you want to extend your modeling's up here. You get this information from here to extend your model. That's why it's at the very bottom, okay? So you'll be able to see that when you click. Okay, so first, you want to go to question 1, just click on this, takes you to the question 1, okay? You might need to scroll up to read the graphs to do question 1, so make sure that you're viewing everything, but this is just to make sure that you don't actually miss a question. Question 2, you have to view the table, so scroll up, okay? Question 3, or the 4, sorry, modeling, model 1. Model 1 asks you to model a large ocean current in the south. So when you do this, you click on the image and then you edit it. And as you look at this, the screen, you can actually put scribbles in here by clicking on this line. And scribbles can show you like, oh, here's an ocean current, okay? So you want to use this button to make sure you're drawing accurately. Take your time, there's no rush. You can put some images in here, but remember, we want to see you drawing as best you can using Google Form. Okay, there's also some clip art. I'm not sure what this is, but you can play around with it and just whatever works for you. Okay, say you do scribble something here, and you just want to save and close, and you'll notice that it saves and closes here. Okay. Rubrics are down here. Notice there is some things in the rubric. To get meeting, we might want to make sure you're talking about energy here. If you're doing the extending model, it's way down at the bottom. So don't do extending until you've done this standard as well, because you'll see that you have to incorporate stuff from this into your model. Okay. For ESS35, if I scroll back up and click on this, it gives you a little description here of global warming, 3 graphs to read, and then you're only doing question 3 and 4. Bada boom, bada bing. Here's the rubric, and again, here's extending. When you're done everything, I would double check, click on all of these to make sure that they're filled out. Do it to the best of your ability. This is a practice assessment. This will be graded and put as a formative grade for you, but it is very important you try your best, and you have the 90 minutes. Good luck, and we will see you. Oh, if you need me in class, of course, I'll be there, so buzz me.